Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to make a Bohr model, and I'm going to make a video so that you guys can go back to it whenever you need to and rewatch if you need to kind of remind yourself of how to make one. So the first thing you're going to do is get your element, and then you got to find the protons, neutrons, and electrons. So we are going to choose magnesium, which is there. It's number 12 with a mass of 24. Remember, you round. If you round up, it has to be 5 or above. If it's below, then 1 after the decimal is below 5, then you just keep the same number. So 24 is the mass. So we're gonna come over here. Okay, so the protons is 12 because my atomic number is 12. My electrons is also 12 because the electrons and protons are the same. And then my neutrons is 12 because the mass, which was 24, minus 12, which is the protons, is equal to 12. Okay, so then to make a Bohr model, you start with the nucleus, okay, and inside the nucleus is the protons and neutrons. So protons is 12 and neutrons is 12. Then you draw your first orbital, just a circle. Your first orbital only holds 2, so that's 1 electron and 2 electrons. Okay, it only holds 2, and then you gotta go into the next orbital. So I have 2, I had 12 electrons, so minus 2 is 10. I need 10 more electrons. So I draw my other orbital. This one holds 8, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 electrons. However, my magnesium has 12 electrons, so I need to draw 1 more. And it's gonna have 2, because that's what I have left over. Okay, and these 2 electrons are special. They are called valence electrons. Hold on, that's spelled wrong. Okay, that's what Ms. Ferris was talking about last week. These are the outermost electrons, and those are what determines the electron's reactivity, which means how is it going to react with other elements on the periodic table. So the valence electrons are just the electrons that are out on the outside orbital. Okay, so you start with your protons, neutrons, then you draw your first orbital, which only holds 2. Your second orbital holds 8, and then if you need to go out to a third orbital, you can put the rest there. Okay, so 2, 8, and then this one holds also, I believe, 8. However, we shouldn't ever go more than that for this class. Okay, so hopefully that helps you guys, and you're able to draw a Bohr model. We're going to practice that this week, but have a great day.